Hello everyone. This is TAT Kana. Do you have a drive recorder installed? Recently, more and more people are thinking about installing it on their motorcycles to protect themselves, as it has been submitted as evidence in cases of aggressive driving or accidents. I think many people would like to have a store install it for them, but if the labor costs range from $60 to $130, some people may want to install it themselves. If you want to install equipment such as a drive recorder, USB power supply, and etc., the power wiring will be a problem. Daytona's D-Unit series of motorcycle accessories power supply units are often seen on Amazon. What we will introduce here is the wiring for connecting a drive recorder to D-Unit Plus. I asked Daytona a question about checking the wiring and got the answer to create it. If you watch this video and perform wiring, please do so at your own risk. In this video, we will introduce the wiring of Daytona's D-Unit Plus and Daytona's motorcycle drive recorder Mio MiVue M760D. According to Daytona's answer, connect the red wire of the Mio MiVue M760D's power cord to the red wire of the D-Unit Plus's ACC power supply. Connect the yellow wire of the power cord of Mio MiVue M760D to the constant power supply positive of D-Unit Plus. The black wire of the power cord of Mio MiVue M760D was connected to the negative, ground, of the D-Unit Plus constant power supply. If you make it into a picture, connect the red wire of the Mio MiVue M760D power cord to the red wire of the ACC power supply of D-Unit Plus. And connect the yellow wire of the Mio MiVue M760D power cord to the constant power supply positive of D-Unit Plus. Connect the black wire of the Mio MiVue M760D power cord to the negative, ground, power supply of D-Unit Plus. The Mio MiVue M760D's power cord does not have terminals, so you will need to attach individual terminals. Process the red wire of the Mio MiVue M760D power cord with a male bullet terminal. And process the black wire and yellow wire of the Mio MiVue M760D power cord with O-type or U-type terminals. Next, connect it to the bike's battery. First, let's look at how to remove the battery. We will be touching the battery on the bike, so start by looking at how to remove the battery terminal. Be sure to follow the rules as you will be touching the battery terminals. Failure to follow the rules may result in a short circuit. First, disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Next, disconnect the positive terminal of the battery. At the very least, disconnect and insulate the negative terminal of the battery. Since it has a positive terminal, if it is not insulated, it will short out if the negative terminal touches any part of the bike. When connecting, connect the positive terminal of the battery. Then connect the negative terminal of the battery. Connect the red wire of the Mio MiVue M760D power cord to the red wire of the D-Unit Plus ACC power supply. Connect the yellow wire of the Mio MiVue M760D power cord to the positive terminal of the bike's battery. Connect the black wire of the Mio MiVue M760D power cord to the negative terminal of the bike's battery. I think wiring the power supply is not difficult if you can process the terminals. Now you can manage the power supply for electrical components. Enjoy your bike life with safety and security in mind. Thank you for watching until the end. I would be happy if you gave me a high rating and subscribe to the channel. I also have comments.